Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we re-tackling a question I get all the time. What is the absolute fastest way to charge your AirPods? You're rushing out the door, you see that dreaded red light, and you need juice. Fast! Let us break down the tech and find out if the ultimate charging solution is already in your hands. So, you've got your AirPods case. Do you reach for a cable or a wireless pad? If speed is your #1 priority, the answer is clear. Go wired. Plugging your AirPods case directly into a power source using a USB-C or Lightning cable is still the undefeated champion of charging speed. To get the absolute quickest boost, connect the cable to a high-wattage USB power adapter, like the one that comes with your MacBook, or even plug it directly into the Mac itself. This direct connection delivers a stable and powerful charge that will get you back to your music or podcasts in the shortest amount of time. But what about the magic of wireless charging? It's undeniably convenient. Just drop the case and go. The good news is that wireless tech is getting faster. If you have a newer AirPods Pro or AirPods 3 case, you can take advantage of MagSafe and the new Qi Standard. Chargers with these technologies, like some of the latest ones from Anka, can deliver up to 15 watts of power wirelessly. This is a huge improvement over the older 5 to 7.5 watt chargers. The magnets in MagSafe and Qi also ensure perfect alignment every time, which means you get a more efficient and consistent charge, preventing that frustrating moment when you realize your AirPods weren't charging at all. So, let's put it all together. For maximum speed, a wired connection to a powerful charger is your best bet. You just can't beat that direct pipeline of power. However, for everyday convenience and a still respectable charging speed, a 15-watt MagSafe or Qi certified wireless charger is a fantastic option, especially for overnight charging or topping up at your desk. It's significantly faster than older wireless pads. Ultimately, the best way depends on your situation. Need power in a pinch? Grab the USB-C cable. Love the clutter-free, effortless lifestyle? A modern wireless charger is your new best friend. The fastest charging tech for AirPods isn't some futuristic dream. It's right here, and you probably already own part of the solution. I hope this helps you keep your AirPods charged and ready to go. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.